Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Hugging Face. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in huggingface.co and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Hugging Face website where if you haven't logged into your account already, you can find the login button at the top right corner which you can click on to proceed logging into your account using your credentials. Now after you are logged in order to change your password, click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on settings. Now from the settings page, go ahead and click on account and underneath account settings, you will find the option to change your password. First of all, you will need to type in your old password for confirmation. Then type in your desired new password and then type in your new password once again to confirm it. Then you can finally click on Save Changes and you will get a notification that your password was changed successfully. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Hugging Face. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.